designs using those software. The name is Wonder Weaves. Okay, in those software we can create different weave structure as like we are producing in a weaving machine as looms, right? Where we create the weaving patterns in the looms. Okay, so there are different types of looms: novel looms, shuttleless loom. There are different varieties, different types of weaves are there: plain weave, twill weave, grid weave, satin, and then it's only a toughest design. It is done by jacquard. It is the most difficult designs. So those designs can be used as different different designs. That is in silk sarees. There is some motifs. It is somewhat very tough. Have you seen this here? See this. This is a jacquard pattern. So this is a jacquard pattern because it is somewhat complicated. So in this complicated designs, it can be created in jacquard pattern looms. So before going to looms, we can done it in a system. This computer aided design, we can go with this software. This Wonder Weaves, right? In this Wonder Weaves software, we can have warp yarns. Which one is warp yarn? Which direction? Straight or straight? Which is weft yarn? So weaving is done using those two yarns, warp and weft yarns. So interlacing of those yarns, we can create different patterns. So in jacquard weave, it is mainly complicated because we can create motifs on using those designs. How we can create it? Based on the interlacement of yarns. So the pattern has different shapes. If you are going with a square shape, it should be done like this. We are having a square. So it is a design. Okay, so this is a small structure like this. So which one is bar? This one is bar, and this one is left, right? So if it is interlacing a design, so we have created a design piece. We have to design like this. So a diamond pattern has been created. So how we can interlace it? If it is a top portion, it is top. So it should be here at this 1, 2, 3. So 3 by 1. So here it is 2. So 2 by 2. So the structure has been differed so that the weave pattern has been created. By using the software, we have to design this thing. And we can include different colors on those motifs so that if we are going with the twill weave, twill is a what like this single weave. So twill is like this. So those interlacement are, it is a top portions. So the X markers are uplifted. So it is like this. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Here one left hand and another one. Again, this is 2 left hand, 2 here, and 2 left hand, 2 here. So it is not mentioned here. So it will be as 2 by 1. So 2 warp yarn, 1 left here. The pattern has been differed. So based on those patterns, we can create designs on those Wonder Weave software. So we can have different motifs and we can create different colors using. We can change the color patterns. So if you are going with an warp yarns, it will be 2 colors. One is red and one is yellow. So if you are giving a warp as red color, with as yellow color. So how it seems to be red, yellow, red, yellow. But you don't like that design. So shall we shift that? Yes, we can shift the colors. So if you are going with the 2 colors, we have to mention for 1 to 15 will be yellow. So 15 to 20 it should be blue. So we can give different colors so that we can make different patterns. Without doing painting, printing, any others, we can go with weavings. So you can see in my saree, it has different colors. So it is here it is pale yellow, here it is black. So if you are doing the Wonder Weave software, we can give from this yarn to this top, we have to use black color. So here it should be in a gold color. Here it should be in pale yellow color. So we have to give color shade like the Pantone number of the color. There are different numbers for different colors. If you are going with the green means it is different color. So it is the main concept of Wonder Thank you.